This is my new lock that I got today. It's a Brinks R70. On the package it's rated as max security. On the back it says brass pin tumbler mechanism provides pick resistance. And I'm gonna try to pick this. I already picked it a couple of times. It has a spool pin, which happens to be the first pin, so the only way to pick this really is with single pin picking. So I'm going to use my short hook and a tension wrench and see if I can pop this baby open. And just to show you guys that it works, here's the key that goes to it. Open, and it's locked tight. So just put the tension wrench right in there. I'm just going to start from the back, working up to the front till I get to that front spool pin. And there you go.